Hello, so you're welcome so that you can solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So do you know that this maths problem can seem to be such a difficult, but it is a very easy problem. So I want us to solve it step by step without explained solution. So let's now start with our solution. So on the solution, we have 9 to the power of a plus 2 is equals to 96. So before we work out the solution, when you have a to the power of m, then also plus a to the power of n. So when you work out this one, it shall now be a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So similarly, here now we shall have 9 to the power of a, then multiply by, because it's a plus, so 9 here, you shall have 9 to the power of 2 is equals to 96. Then the next step is to work out whatever we have had here. So here now we shall have 9 to the power of a, then still multiply by 9 to the power of 2 is 9 times 9, that is 81, is equals to 96. So the next step now shall divide both sides by 81, so this side also by 81. So when you divide both sides by 81, now we shall cancel, so 81 and 81 shall cancel, so now we shall have 9 to the power of a is equals to 96 all over 81. So now, how do you work out the value for a? So the best thing now is to introduce the log from both sides. So let's now introduce the log. So now we shall have the log of 9 to the power of a is equals to the log of 96 all over 81. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of m, so this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So means that log 9 to the power of a can be written as a, the log of 9 is equals to the log of 96 all over, so is equals to the log of 96 all over 81. So a log 9, so a log 9 is equals to, when you simplify this, now we shall have the log of, so the log of 96 can also be written as 3 multiplied by 32, then all over, so 81 can also be written as 81, we shall have 27, that is 3 multiplied by 27. So now we shall now say that a log 9, so a log 9 is equals to, so when we cancel this, 3 by 3 shall cancel, so now we shall have the log of 32 all over 27. So now we shall proceed and say that, assuming that we have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a minus the log of b. So when you take this into consideration, so now our a log 9, so we shall now have a log 9 is equals to the log of 32 minus the log of 27. So our next step now is to divide both sides by the log of 9. So here now we shall divide by the log of 9. So this part also we shall divide by the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 shall cancel. So now our a shall now be equals to the log of 32 minus the log of 27 all over the log of 9. So let's now work it by saying that now our a is equals to, so the log of 32 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 5, then minus the log of 27 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 3 there, then all over, so log 9 can also be written as the log of 3, the log of 3 to the power of 2. So next now we shall say that a is equals to, so the log of 5 to the log of 2 to the power of 5 can also be written as the log of 5 log 2, so 5 log 2 minus, so this one is 3 log 3, then all over, so here now we shall have 2 log 3. So now we shall now divide both sides by 2 log 3. So our value for a is equals to, so 5 log 2 all over, so 2 log 3, then minus, so here now we shall have 3 log 3 all over, here now 2 log 3. So here log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now we shall remain with 3 over 2. So here now we shall say that our value for a, so a is equals to 5 over 2, the log of 2, all over the log of 3, so the log of 2 all over the log of 3 minus 3 over 2. So now we shall say that, so assume that we have also the log of a all over the log of b. So this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So now our value for a in this case, so our a is equals to 5 over 2. So instead of having the log of 2 over 3, we shall now have the log of 2 to the base of 3 minus 3 over 2. So this one now qualifies to be the correct answer for that particular number. So if you really loved how we've worked it out and solved this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.